In this video, I'll be helping you with the ALEKS problem type called word problem with addition of 3 or 4 decimals and whole numbers. In this example, we're told that Tom bought 4 books at a bookstore, and we're given the prices in dollars. So he buys 1, 2, 3, 4 books, and we're asked to find the total amount Tom paid for those books at the bookstore. And since we're asked for the total amount, we know that we will be adding. And since we have decimals, we will want to align these numbers vertically to add. And the alignment will be based off of the decimals. And even the 8 could be represented with a decimal behind it to help with that alignment. So over on the side here, I'll start with 4.41. And then our next number is 17.6. Aligning the decimal means I need to move this over a bit. 17.6. And then 17.87. Again, aligning the decimal. And lastly, we just have the 8. And since a whole number doesn't have a decimal, the decimal would be behind it if we were to write it. So I'll align that decimal place. And from here, we can add, and I already know that the decimal place will be directly below the aligned decimals. And then adding on that far right-hand column, I have a couple of zeros since there's nothing there, meaning that would just be 1 plus 7, which is 8. And then moving to the column to the left, there's also a 0 at the bottom, but along the top, 4 plus 6 is 10 plus 8 is 18. So 8 and carry the 1. Now adding along this aligned column, 1 plus 4 is 5, plus 7 is 12, plus another 7 is 19, plus 8 is 27. So the 7 is written in that column, and we carry the 2. And now on that far left column, 2 plus 1 is 4. And since we were talking about money here for prices, we know these are dollars. The total amount that Tom paid at the bookstore is $47.88.